Hello friends, welcome to our channel MedicalBazzar. Today we will show you the demo of acco Nice Pulse 4-channel tense machine. Before starting the demo, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start the demo now. This machine has two special features. First, it can work with electricity and the battery. It has 3 hours battery backup, and secondly, it has the soft touch buttons. Let's show you the demo. Firstly, we will start the machine with the battery. It is in DC current. It is working on DC current. These buttons are touch buttons. You just need to touch them. Timer up, timer down. You can select the frequency. You can select the mode, and then you can press start. Attach wire and pads. Increase the intensity. Channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. Once the treatment is completed, make all the intensity knob to 0 and switch off the machine. Now we will show you how it will work on electricity. You can just attach the wire, switch on the machine, and then move the switch to AC. Same, you can select the timer, you can set the frequency, you can set the modes, and then you can press start. This is the high quality advanced machine with a fiber body. You can also buy this product online at MedicalBazzar. For more videos, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. The demo is completed. Thank you.